Is that food?
Hi, Cloudy Sky. I guess you were hungry, huh? Here you go, guys. Here's another one. Come on, guys. Look at Cloudy Sky. Ooh, I see another one.
This is going to be the first one all around.
Guys, there's more than one food dish. Come on, guys. Over here. Come on. Guys, come on. Come on. No one coming under this one?
Oh, wait. Cloudy Sky.
He's thinking.
He's going. Oh, I pulled more out.
I'm gonna all fight over that one. Okay, one more, guys.
Oh, Cloudy Sky's going for this.
Oh, now I'm glad to that one.
Cloudy Sky. Oh, and Mr. Blue are going to this one.
Got it.
Oh, you just made the camera go out of here.
I know. It's okay.
Look at him. Look at him.
Oh, he changed his mind. Hi, Lemon Lime.
Oh, poor Blaze. Oh, way to hold your ground, Blaze.
Oh, look at you two eating like good friends. There's enough sprouts for everybody. You don't need to fight over it.
And then there's just little snowflake.
Over by yourself. I know. Oh, look, Cloudy Sky's like, ooh, a free feeder.
Oh. He's not even eating anything.
Is he just throwing it?
He's just picking around.
What do you have?
Oh, there we go.
Hi, Winter. You gonna join him? Oh, Winter's gonna kick him off. Way to go, Winter.
It's like the Jaws theme, like Dana, 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 Dana.
You guys really can't make up your mind as to which one you're gonna go to, can you? Although Mr. Blue over here, he's quite happy. You know there's a fourth one down there below you, right, Winter?
She's like, but I want the one head. Oh.
Who's that? Is that Stampy? Oh, Stampy and Blaze.
I think.
Oh, nope, that's Azarine and Blaze.
Yeah, she's bigger.
Yeah, Stampy's hanging out.
Little Stampy. He's waiting until all the big kids are done eating.
Oh, I wanted to see that. She had a sprout hanging out of her mouth. It's kind of cute.
Oh. This guy won't let me poke him in the tummy. Which he obviously loves.
Hey, be nice, guys. Cloudy Sky, there's another feeder at the bottom.
Yeah, but they like to be high up.
Hi, Mr.
I wonder
Blue.
what would happen if you put all 4 feeders on top.
Well, then there would be stuff. Oh, there goes Mr. Blue down to this one. This is the one I wanted to see. Then this one had the most sprouts in it. Go ahead, Mr. Blue. I'm not going to touch you. He's like, okay, you got it.
No one will let me poke them in the tummy.
Oh, Mr. Blue's like a little protective. He's like, I don't want nobody to bother me.